All right, Algebra 1 students and any math students, this is going to be a quick video. I'm Mr. McGivney. I'm the new math teacher at Promise. In case you don't know me, this is a chance to see my face. I'm going to switch to the whiteboard and show you how to factor a trinomial with a leading coefficient of 1. Okay, so we're going to start out with two binomials. Let's do x plus 5 and x plus 3. So these are called binomials because they have two terms, 1, 2, 1, 2. So just like a bicycle has two wheels, these are called binomials. So first we're going to multiply these with the FOIL method, which you may have learned in school. First outside, inside, last. But I like to use the box method. So draw a box. Now how many squares do we need? Since we have two terms here and two terms here, two terms here, we need to multiply those 2 times 2, so that gives us 4 boxes. So we have x plus 5 here. We can put that on the bottom if you want. And we have x plus 3 along the sides. So we're going to multiply these x times x. See how the x and x intersect in this box? That would be x squared. 5 times x gives us 5x. 3 times x gives us 3x. And 5 times 3 gives us 15. So we have our like terms and opposite boxes, 5 and 3. We want to add those together. So we get x squared plus 8x plus 15. All right, so keep in mind that is the product of two binomials, and this is called a quadratic expression because there is an exponent of 2. So I'm going to erase this and we're going to factor that. Okay, so let's assume that we have this as the starting problem. We're going to factor it. So we're going to draw an x. Now we're going to multiply 15 times 1 because there's a 1 in front of this x squared. That's 15. The middle term goes on the bottom. So we need to find two factors of 15, and a factor is two numbers that multiply to get 15. So our options for 15 are 1 times 15 or 3 times 5. Now we need the one that adds up to 8, so we will do 3 and 5. So if we draw our box again, we have x squared. We're going to split the 8x into 5x and 3x. And then the 15 goes in the bottom corner. So now we need to look at what's in common with x squared and 5x. Well, there's an x in common. Now let's look at what's in common with 3x and 15. What's a number that goes into 3 and 15? Positive 3. Now we can look at it down. What's in common with x squared and 3x? So common factor would be x. And what's in common with 5x and 15? A number that goes into 5 and 15 would be a positive 5. So there's a little math magic. We get back to our original problem of x plus 3 times x plus 5. Stay tuned for more videos and let me know what topics you're struggling with. I'll be happy to make another video, and you can always Zoom call me to get individual tutoring. See you next time.